Hello student, Hemant Sir is here. So in real number, we will start the new part of your chapter. It is surd, S-U-R-D-S, surds. Okay. So surds समझने के पहले we had to understand few examples which are rational or irrational number. Okay. So like we have root 2. We have root 2. If let the root 2 is equals to x, root 2 equals to x, that means x की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी root 2. अब root 2 को अगर हम सॉल्व करेंगे तो इसकी वैल्यूज पॉइंट के बाद, डेसिमल पॉइंट के बाद में हम क्या हो जाए सॉल्व करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा, वैल्यू बढ़ती जाएगी. दैट मीन्स पॉइंट के बाद नंबर्स खत्म नहीं हो रहे हैं, है ना. वी हैव ऑलरेडी सीन. दैट मीन्स रूट 2 क्या हो गया, इट इज इररेशनल नंबर. क्या हो जाएगा, इररेशनल नंबर. इफ वी विल टेक रूट 4 इक्वल्स टू एक्स, सो एक्स की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी, वी नो एक्स इक्वल्स टू रूट 4. सो एक्स इक्वल्स टू वी कैन राइट 2 into 2. So x equals to we can write x equals to root 2. 2 into 2 means square of 2. So square and root will get cancelled. So x की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी, 2. अब x की वैल्यू जब 2 होगी, that means it is not a irrational number. It is rational number now. Okay. So likewise we have to identify the given number, irrational number which are in the form of root. They are surd or not the surd. Okay, so like we have root 5, we have root 8, we have 3 of root power, this is the power. Okay, it is also called as cube root of 8. Now we have 64, etc. So we have to identify whether these given numbers are surd or not. Okay, so yes, root 5 is equals to x. So the value of x will be root 5 because 5 is not going to divide in further. That's why it is a surd. Now root 8. So x equals to, we can write x equals to 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. So now we will solve further. We can get x equals to root 2 square into 2. Is it? इसको हम सेपरेट लिख लेंगे. So x equals to, we can write square of 2 root inside the root and the root 2. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So x equals to, we got 2 root 2. We got 2 root 2. That means here we have root 2. That means it is also a irrational number. If it is irrational number inside the root, that means it is the surd. It is the surd. Now we will check this one. Cube root of 8. So we can write cube root of 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So we can write cube root of 2 into 2 into 2 is to the power 3. And 3, that is the power, and this will get cancelled. So we will get only 2. Therefore x equals to, we got 2. So if x equals to, we have 2, that means 2 is a rational number. So it is not going to be rational number. So no, it is not the irrational number. This one, this is not the irrational number. That means it is not a surd because here we have x equals to 2. X equals to 2 है, that means it is not a surd. This one, we know let root 64 equals to x. So we have to calculate the value of x. So x equals to, we know root 64. So x equals to root, what is 64? It is the square of 8. That means 8 into 8, and 2 and root will get cancelled. So x equals to, we have now 8. अब 8 x की वैल्यू आ गई. That means ये rational number नहीं है. It is a rational number. ये irrational number नहीं है. That means here we have x equals to 8. So it is not a surd because it is not the irrational number. It is rational number. Okay. So likewise we have to decide whether the given numbers in the form of root, that is irrational number, they are surd or not. Okay. So for understanding that, you have to write this part also. So surt, what will be surt then? If any number which is in the form of square root, like we have x, and if let we have any number, we have n, and which is equals to root of n, which is equals to x, and if x is a irrational number and x must be greater than 0. अब greater than 0 will be positive, and it must not be irrational number, then we will say it is a surt. And here if कुछ mention नहीं है, that means here we have 2. So here we have nothing but a. So a is called as power of the surt. Okay, so surt क्या होंगे? अगर जो रूट के अंदर में वैल्यू दिया हुआ है उसकी वैल्यू, हमने उसको कंसीडर कर लिया x, अगर x की वैल्यू इंटीजर है बट इंटीजर निगेटिव नहीं होनी चाहिए, इट मस्ट बी ग्रेटर देन 0, यानी ही पॉजिटिव होनी चाहिए, और उसकी वैल्यू जो भी आएगी x की वैल्यू अगर वो इरेशनल नंबर है, देन वी विल से द गिवन रूट फॉर्म आर सर्ट्स. ओके, सो नाउ वी विल टेक सम एग्जांपल्स आल्सो. So in your textbook there are few problems which are given, like prove that so that 3 root 8 is a surd or not. We have already seen that. So it is the power of root 3. We will say the cube root of 8 is a surd or not. So we have to check whether cube root of 8 is surd or not. So let 3 to the power root of 8, that is cube root of 8 equals to x. So we have to calculate the value of x. So x equals to, we can write 3 cube root of 8. So we can write x equals to cube root of 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8. So 8 को हमने इस फॉर्म में लिख लिया है. So 2 into 2 into 2 means 2 का क्यूब. So x equals to, we can write cube root of 2 to the power 3. So इस 3 से क्यूब रूट कैंसिल. So x की वैल्यू क्या आ गई? 2. अब x की वैल्यू क्या आ गई? 2, और ये x क्या है? रेशनल नंबर है, तो इसकी वैल्यू जो हमने कैलकुलेट किया कितने है? ये 2. So we can write 3 रूट x इक्वल्स टू 2. अब 2 क्या है? इट इज अ रैशनल नंबर. इरेशनल नंबर है क्या? नहीं. दैट मींस क्यूब रूट ऑफ 8 इज नॉट अ सर्ड. ये सर्ड नहीं होगा. देयरफॉर 3, दैट इज द क्यूब रूट ऑफ 8 इज नॉट अ सर्ड. ओके, सो लाइकवाइज यू हैव टू check whether the given irrational numbers are surd or not. Okay, now we'll take next example. It is given in your textbook, page number 26. Here the power of root is 4. So we have to check whether the power of 4 of the root of 8 is surd or not. So we have to solve now. Solution. So let x equals to power of 4 of the root 8. Okay, so x equals to, we can write it as 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2. So x equals to, is this going to solve? No. That means here it is 4. Okay, 4. So the value of x is the same as we have, that is power of the 4 of the root 8. That means it is not a rational number. it is a irrational number. That means we can say it is the surd. Therefore the power of root is 4 8 is a surd. It is a surd. So likewise we have completed two solved problems also, okay, where we have identified whether the given numbers they are irrational number or rational number. That means they are surd or not. Okay, so next problem, in next part we will check the similar or like surd. Similar surd or like surds. So we will take few examples. Okay, the simplest form of surd are like we have root 48. So root 48 अब ये सर्ड है, इसको हमको सिंपल फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना है. कन्वर्टिंग गिवन सर्ड इनटू देयर सिंपलर फॉर्म. तो सिंपलर फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, लेट इट इज इक्वल्स टू x. सो वी हैव x इक्वल्स टू रूट 48. सो x इक्वल्स टू 48 के हम क्या करेंगे, फैक्टर्स फॉर्म कर लेंगे. सो क्या हो जाएगा, फैक्टर्स ऑफ 48. फैक्टर निकालने की टेक्निक ऐसी है. 48 we have written here and we have to divide it by 2. So 2 2's are 4 and 2 4's are 8. Now again 2, again by 2 we can divide. So 2 1 is 1 and 2 2's are 4. Again we can divide by 2. So 2 6's are 12. Again by 2 2 3's are 6. So we can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2's is 4, 4 2's is 8, 8 2's are 16 and 16 3's are 48. So we can write x equals to, see here we had two pairs. So two pair we can write it also 4 into 4 into 3. So again we can write 4 into 4 is square of 4. So we can write square of 4 into 3. We have to write separately. So now x equals to, we have 4 square into root 3. So square and root will get cancelled. So x equals to, we have 4 root 3. So this is the simplest form of the given surd. Therefore we can write root of 48 equals to 4 root 3. So this is the simple form of the surd. Okay, so likewise you have to convert the given surd into their simpler form. Okay, so now you have the homework. In your exercise practice set 2.3, the first question, whether the order of the surd is given below. We have to write the order. Order means if here nothing is written, that means the order of the root will be 2. ऑर्डर ऑफ रूट विल बी 2. अगर हमने यहाँ पर 3 दे दिया, दैट इज क्यूब रूट, तो इसका ऑर्डर कितना हो जाएगा 3. यहाँ पर कुछ भी नहीं है, दैट मीन इसका ऑर्डर हो जाएगा 2. अगर यहाँ पर 4 है तो इसका ऑर्डर हो जाएगा 4. लाइकवाइज यू हैव टू टेल द, you have to write the order of the root in first question. And second question, state which of the following are surd. अब आपको कुछ नंबर्स दिए हुए हैं इनसाइड द रूट. Now you have to check whether these numbers are surd or not. That means वो rational number अगर है so they are not surd. If they are irrational number then they are surd. Okay, so first and second question is really very simple. Third question, classify the given pair of surd into like surd and unlike surd. So ये वाला पार्ट हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कवर करेंगे. ओके, सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 ऑफ योर एक्सरसाइज 2.3 विल बी होमवर्क फॉर यू. ओके, सो आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.